Imagine if one traffic jam could cost the world billions of dollars every single day. This narrow 120-mile waterway is one of the most important trade routes on Earth. Every day, nearly $10 billion worth of goods pass through this canal, from smartphones to coffee to cars to the fuel powering entire nations. But what happens when just one ship gets stuck? Today on TrillionScope, we are uncovering how one blocked canal can shake the global economy. The Suez Canal is more than a shipping lane. It is one of the world's most important economic shortcuts. Around 12% of global trade passes through this single corridor. Instead of sailing around Africa, ships save nearly 2 weeks of travel. That means lower fuel costs, faster deliveries, and cheaper products for consumers. But efficiency comes with a hidden risk. When everyone depends on one shortcut, one problem can affect the entire world. A blocked canal does not only delay ships, it triggers a chain reaction across the global economy. Factories wait for missing parts. Retailers run low on inventory. Shipping companies burn millions in extra fuel by rerouting around Africa. Insurance costs increase. Delivery times grow longer. Eventually, those higher costs reach consumers through higher prices. A single delay becomes everyone's problem. Today's economy moves faster than ever. Products cross continents before reaching your doorstep. But despite advanced technology, global trade still depends on physical choke points. The Suez Canal reminds us that the world's most advanced economy can still be slowed by one ship, one storm, or one unexpected accident. Sometimes, the weakest link controls the strongest system. The next time your package arrives late, remember, the delay may have started thousands of miles away. One narrow canal, one unexpected blockage, billions of dollars in global consequences. That is the hidden economics of modern trade. Subscribe as we uncover the invisible forces shaping our world.